Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about precious words. Now before learning about precious words, we should know about the meaning of precious. So now what is the meaning of precious? Precious means important, valuable and of great value. So I'm sure you all have something or the other which is very precious for you all. Now let us see what is there so precious. Now, in this chapter, according to the writer, sorry, please, and thank you are the very precious words. They are precious when we use them according to the time and according to the situation. Now, let us take some example. When we ask something from someone, what do we say? Please. Yes, we say please. For example, please give me a pencil. Please give me a rubber. We use this word please. If by mistake we hurt someone, or for example, if we are standing in a long queue and if we stamp someone by mistake, we say sorry. So, this is the second important or precious word. And then, when we get something from someone, we say thank you. So, these three words are used in different situations, and this is how we create a good atmosphere when we use these words. Now, here is a story related to these three words. Let us see now what is there. Some of the boys were playing in the school ground, and then a glass pen of the principal's room broke. And when the teacher asked the students regarding this matter, the students were silent. When the teacher specifically asked to Kumud about this matter, he told about Prakash. Prakash have broken the glass pen, and after that Prakash was suspended. But the glass pen was not broken by Prakash, it was broken by Kishore. Even though Kishore have done that, he was silent and he did not reply anything to the teacher. He did not have the courage to accept his mistake. And after that, this particular incident continuously was disturbing Kishore. He could not sleep at night and he was very much disturbed. So the next day, what he did, he went to his teacher and told the teacher about the matter, that the glass pen was broken by his ball and it was not Prakash. And he was really very sorry for the mistake he have done. The teacher, after knowing the whole matter, was very much happy and also encouraged him for telling the truth. The principal praised Kishore in the school assembly also, and the suspension of Prakash was cancelled. There are many rules and regulations in school, at home, and in public place also. We should always abide by the rules and regulations. Our language should be polite and respectful. We should always speak in polite words and we should respect our elders, neighbors, teachers, and above that, we should always be honest and also try to accept our mistake. And if we are polite and respectful towards others, we can live a happy, disciplined, and a peaceful life, as well as we can also get success in any field. So we should always remember this precious words and also to be polite, have good manners, and respect towards others. Thank you so much.